Hello everyone. I'm bored, so I'm gonna be playing some teardown because why not? I was thinking of playing Team Fortress 2, but I saw teardown and I haven't played it in a long time. So why not play it? Either way, there's like new stuff I think. Mod man. Actually, never mind. I'm not gonna be playing Teardown. I'm gonna be playing The Binding of Isaac. Alright. Ooh, this is a nice spawn. Alright, we got the item room. Oh my god. Now it's a D6 shard. Nah, that is a little joke for people who've played this game. But I got the D6, alright? That's pretty cool. Oh. Hi, Isaac. Hold on. Bye, Isaac. That's how the game actually ended. Isaac just dies. He drank too much G Fuel. Have you seen what the G Fuel looks like for the Binding of Isaac? Like the Binding of Isaac G Fuel? It's just like plain blue. It was made with Isaac's tears. What is this? This is iron? Nah, bro. We playing Minecraft. Gold! Alright, I gotta go find the shop now. And okay. Oh my god, it's I guess the boss is already dead, but look, it's Brimstone, guys. Oh my god, I got Brimstone. Isn't that awesome? Hold on, where? Yeah, look, I got Brimstone. Wow. It's a very skinny beam. Wow. What? There's no next floor. Oh no, it's infinite basement mode. I gotta get out of here. Whee! And I get teleported to a different room now. Oh, I slipped on the ground. Where am I? Oh no. The frick? Oh no, it's like, it's just like a big void. Okay. What the heck? Oh! It's a backrooms monster. I know how to get rid of you. Excuse me, it's a flying axe! What the frick? Oh, no, this is terrifying. Okay, we need... Where is he? Where is he? Uh-oh. Rocket launcher. Oh, detonate. Help me! Help me! Oh, where am I? Where am I? I can't see anything. Oh god, I'm dying. Oh no. Well, that was weird. Oh no, I'm in a... Alright, I guess I'm in the P rooms or something. Why is it so yellow? Yeah, why is the ground indestructible? Hold on. Oh. I hope no goofy goblins come to kill me. You know, that would suck. Oh no. It's a goofy goblin! It's a goofy goblin! I got it! What the heck? Oh yeah, I play TF2. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Scout me. I'm not. I play scout. Yeah, look, you getting destroyed. You getting destroyed. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yeah. Idiot. Should have had a medic. Okay, no one's there. Alright, now I'm soldiering. With my rocket launcher. Oh! An entrance. Alright. Let's see, what do we got here? Wow. Wow. Hold on. Yeah. Increase the power. Well then, I've successfully destroyed the back rooms. I hope no other goofy goblins get me. Oh no, the goofy goblins! Oh no, he's falling apart. So sad. So sad. Five Nights at Freddy's 2! Oh my god! Oh my god, we're gonna be playing FNAF 2. Let's freaking go! Shut up.
Hello?
Okay. I see them. Copyright. That's cool. There's a boombox there. Nail him. Who's in here? It's scary at first, and then you realize you have a freaking shotgun, and then you know you're scared. Look, it's Freddy and the gang. There we go. Yeah, let's recreate FNAF 3, baby. Alright, I've done my duty. Alright, let's go. Wow. Alright, I'm trying to find... Minecraft super flat world. Oh my god. It's loading. Sure it's taking a while to load. Oh, there we go. Coming after me! Ah! Took a pop on it! One pipe bomb destroyed this giant machine. It's still moving! It's still moving! It's still moving! It's still moving! Yeah! Load the bits! How is it still moving? Oh, there's the house. Alright, get out my face. Whoa. He like regenerates and stuff. It's kind of awesome. But yeah, it's a really cool house. Kind of just regenerates. Well then.
I'll be back.
Wow.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Don't mind me. Nice. Where is... yeah, the balloon.
Chill out, big
Ah!
bud.
Oh my god, it's Terminator! Whee! Just put the balloons on the house. Put the balloon 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 on the house. Destruction. Spring trap? Yep, that sure is spring trap. The freak is this? You see, this is how you destroy him. You kind of just... oh, wait, that... I just hit him in the foot and he just fell over. That's probably how it would go in real life. Because he's just like a rotting corpse. Yeah, it'll turn into a freaking Jimmy Neutron again. Wow. we go. Now he's gone. I slapped him out of existence. Alright, pick up all the parts. Yee! Now they're all gone. Survive the giants. I know exactly how to survive these giants. Build a tower to space! Yeah, master builder. Explosions! Really? None of them died? Yeah, just kind of destroy the house with a dead body. Yank. Check it out, man. A small Minecraft chunk. Small Minecraft chunk. Oh yeah, it's like one of those like clickbait videos where it's like Minecraft in like 2077. Whoa, look at this epic gameplay. Definitely not from Teardown. It's definitely Minecraft in 2077. Grab my iron pickaxe and break my bed. Let's see what's out here. Whoa, isn't this awesome? Look, it's a Minecraft pig and he's not moving. I wonder why. Look how realistic it looks. Oh my god, isn't that crazy? Isn't that so crazy? That's just like so crazy. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. It's like so crazy. It's like so crazy. It's like so crazy. Let's see what's down here. Oh my god. This is so cool. Look at the iron ore. which actually has iron in it. Bring that out. Give me that gun down iron. They don't go in the Pentagon. You know, that's the old way to get iron. This is the new way. Whoa. Oof. That was kind of crazy. Rick and Morty, oh my god. Whoa. Isn't this crazy? Oh my god, it's really breaking my game here. Yeah, look, it's Rick and Morty. And it's really destroying my computer here. Alright, let's see what's on this map. Whoa. It's a thingamabob. Let's open this thingamabob.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks! Look at me!
Die, Mr. Meeseeks! I'm clicking as fast as I can. The lag won't let me shoot. There we go. Whoa! Who is that? I wonder who that could be. Whee. Whoa, it's like a skeleton. Isn't that crazy? Whoa. Use it to dig. Dig. There's a bee. This skeleton isn't all broken. Hang on, I'm gonna break it. Chicken tender. Why so serious? Ain't that just the most perfect way to end off a video? The game just crashed. I saw that one coming from a mile away. I just threw like a truck at the house and the game just crashed. Alright. Well, I guess this is the end of the video. Pretty short one compared to my older videos, but bye.